Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen the hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact to remove the hub bolts. Use a trim removal tool to remove the ABS wire harness clip. Use a 17mm ratcheting wrench. Remove the control arm to subframe bolt. For installing our adjustable control arm, first remove the ABS wire harness mounting bracket. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screw because the lengths of these two control arms are different during installation. It's best to compare it with the length of the original part. First, adjust it to the length of the original part, later based on your needs. Then tighten the lock nut. Use a 24mm wrench and an adjustable wrench to tighten the lock nut. Use a 17mm deep socket with an extension and torque wrench. Tighten the control arm to knuckle bolt. Tighten to a torque of 120 Newton meters or 89 foot-pounds. Use a zip tie to secure the ABS wire harness. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Tighten the hub bolts. Tighten to a torque of 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds.